V2, which is known as the maxillary division, passes through, it leaves the cranial cavity via an opening that is called the foramen rotundum. So this is known as foramen rotundum. Now V3 also leaves the cranial cavity by passing through an opening that is known as, this opening is called foramen ovale. Foramen ovale. So the trigeminal ganglion divides into three, giving rise to three divisions. The first one is the ophthalmic division, the second one is the maxillary division, and the third one is the mandibular division. The ophthalmic division passes through, it leaves the cranial cavity via an opening called the superior orbital fissure and enters the orbital cavity. The V2, which is known as the maxillary division, leaves the cranial cavity by passing through a foramen that is known as the foramen rotundum. The V3 leaves the cranial cavity by passing through a foramen that is known as the foramen ovale. So I hope this is well understood. Now the central processes of the neurons that are found in the trigeminal ganglion gives out some rootlets or fibers that actually enters the pons. Now when it enters the pons, it divides into an ascending branch and a descending branch. It divides into an ascending branch and descending branch. Now, the ascending branch actually goes to a nucleus, the nucleus is actually found in the midbrain. This nucleus is actually referred to as the mesencephalic nucleus of the midbrain. Mesencephalic nucleus of the midbrain. Now the descending fibers actually goes down to a nucleus in the pons. Let me use another marker to represent this. It goes down to a nucleus in the pons that is actually called, this is the nucleus. This nucleus is actually called the principal sensory pontine nucleus. Principal sensory pontine nucleus. It is located in the pons. Or if we don't call it the principal sensory pontine nucleus, we call it the central pontine nucleus. Then some other descending fiber goes down to the medulla. In the medulla, we actually have another nucleus that extends all through the length of the medulla and goes down to the upper parts of the spinal cord. That is the cervical area of the spinal cord, the cervical region of the spinal cord. Now, this particular nucleus is called the spinal nucleus. It is called the spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve. Spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve. Now, we also have another nucleus that is also located in the pons. This nucleus is referred to as the motor nucleus of the trigeminal nerve. Now, the mesencephalic nucleus of the trigeminal nerve actually carries proprioceptive information that are coming from the muscles of mastication and the muscles of the face to the cerebral cortex, particularly the postcentral gyrus. Now, the principal pontine nucleus actually carries information that has to do with touch and pressure. The spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve carries information that has to do with touch, temperature, pressure, pain, and perhaps information that has to do with proprioception. So The spinal nucleus of the trigeminal now carries proprioceptive information that has to do with touch, temperature, pressure, and even information that has to do with vibration.